IShowSpeed almost got ate by a tiger because while he was visiting the zoo, he got himself in a cage with a tiger, but after trying to take a picture with it, things almost ended deadly.
Stop playing.
IShowSpeed almost got ate alive because while Speed was at the zoo, he had an unfriendly encounter with a lion, and it didn't end so well.
I'm sorry. You're the alpha. You're the alpha. You're the alpha. I'm sorry. Yes, you're an alpha. I'm sorry. Oh, shit. I'm trying to. Okay, baby, come here. Hug. She doesn't want a hug, bro. Am I that ugly? I'm getting rejected. How do I get her attention? Hold her hand. Oh, hold her hand. Oh, yeah. Where does she want to go? Hey, where you going? Where you going? Where's she going? Where's she going?